Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video I am going to show you what you can do if you can't delete a folder because it says that one of the items inside this folder is open and being used by another program. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. Alright, so here, let's say for example I want to delete this folder. So if I go and right click and click on delete, I will get this error that says this action can't be completed because the folder is open in Word. So let's go ahead and close this one. Now what you can do is you can go to your search and type resource monitor. Now let's open this one, and here go to CPU and go to associated handles. Now go to your folder here and do a right click and click on rename. Now copy the name of this folder and paste it in this search box right here. So let's paste it. And here we can see that something in this folder is open up in Word. So what you can do is you can right click on this one and click on end process. So after that, you can close the resource monitor, and when you do a right click again here and click on delete, the folder is now deleted. Alright, so I hope that is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.